My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the browser hijacker called OnlinePDF-Converter. It is also known under the name of the website OnlinePDF-Converter.com. It's a deceptive website that attacks Google Chrome browser, and it tries to actually hijack your browser with the unwanted browser extension. The extension, by the way, is called OnlinePDF-Converter. The developers of this service claim that by installing the extension you'll be able to convert some files into the PDF format or vice versa, but in reality this extension functions as a typical browser hijacker, and when you submit some search queries you may notice that the results might be delivered by some other unfamiliar search engine. Especially if you provide the search queries in this area, you notice that the results are delivered by some strange search engine that has not been selected by you initially. So to get rid of this online PDF converter extension, you need to access the list of the programs or browser extensions, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then look for the suspicious extensions, disable and delete them. Another good solution is to check the list of your applications, because very often some unwanted applications or unwanted browser extensions may be spread through integration with some free software. So people might download and install it pretty unintentionally. So look for the list of applications and remove any programs that are not familiar to you. I would also recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download Combo Cleaner button. Initially the program will be in the trial mode, but there are some free features you may enjoy. They are disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your computer to detect and delete other threats that could possibly remain on your system. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threats that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the threat, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific threat, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of threat on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.